Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video guys is going to be a what's in my bag, and this bag is my Dooney Bourke medium shopper in the color clear. So if you have not checked out the unboxing of this cute little fun bag, where have you been? I will leave a link below so you can check out the unboxing, my first impressions, as well as another item that was unboxed along with this. So if you are interested in seeing what is in my bag, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so here is the medium shopper in the color clear. And as you can see, I have her packed pretty much to capacity. So let me just give you a bird's eye view at how I have the shopper packed. As you can see, I have it packed to capacity. So let me just pull out my items and just share with you what I decided to pair with this bag. And I'll also be sharing with you some other options that I think would be perfect with this shopper. So the first thing I have is a devotional book. And this is just a book that I read off and on. And right now I am going through a very tough time. My grandfather passed away a few days ago, so we're kind of dealing with that. And if you guys have been following me for years, you know that my grandparents are very, very special to me. And I'm really just having a hard time now with his death. And again, if you have been with me for at least 6 years, you know that my grandmother passed away on Christmas Day several years back. And so this one again hit me very hard. And I just occasionally just go in and do some journaling and just some little paint things here just to kind of clear my mind, and some other little prayers and stuff that I choose to do. And this one here was about peace. And this was one that I decided to go back to, worry or peace. And with everything that's going on now, worry or peace is at the top of my list right now. And then here is another one that I did that I just thought I would share. This one is about content, and I just went in and did some little random paint swatches there. And then I have just a little illustrated faith girl here that I stuck in there. And this, as you can see, is way back from 2018. But when I am in a funk, I actually go to some of these just to brighten my spirits. As you can see, this one has tons of room left on the inside. And then here is another one that I did. I think this one was more recent, but anyway, this is the first item that I have in my shopper. And the next item that I have here is my Dooney Bourke medium cosmetics case. And as you can see, this is in the color clear as well. And then let me just share with you really quick what I have in here. This is just a catch-all. I have some alcohol-free hand sanitizer. Let's see, I have some Aquaphor. And I have my phone charger. I have some lavender oils there. I have some Josie Maran hand cream, Tylenols, lip glosses. I have another hand sanitizer there, and my little Dunkin' Donuts lip balm. Absolutely love that. So again, here we are, and I have some more hand sanitizer at the bottom and my bulb for my phone. So this is what I have in here. And then let's see what else we have. I have my Dooney Bourke Shiny It Cosmetics case here that everyone in my Facebook group, the Dooney Niece to Den, we went crazy for these little cases. I'm going to say about 3 years ago. So very nice little case for a catch-all as well. And what I use this for is just to keep my sanitizing. I use this as my little sanitizing bag. And I have some antibacterial wipes here. And then I have, let's see, some gloves that I have. And then I also have just some little disposable masks that I picked up. Just in case I leave my cloth mask at home. So I just thought that I would pack, I call this like a little emergency bag in this day and time. These items are considered pretty much emergency. So let's see what else we have. I have my Dooney Bourke Dylan leather wallet in the color green. Here we have that. A very nice wallet. This is the regular size wallet. It's not the large zip around. So here we have our wallet. And then I normally do not carry water in my bags, but with this bag being clear, I decided that I would also carry a bottle of water. And then I have my large sunglass case here. And then another item that I normally don't carry in my bag is lotion, unless it is in something like this or something like this. So here is the Pearberry, and this, I think this is Bath and Body Works. It's Pearberry. I picked this up when they had a sale. I'm going to say maybe around Christmas time. I think this was like $3 or something. So anyway, guys, this is what I had in this bag. And this bag, you guys, is a really, really nice size. As you can see, it's very deep here. And the bottom is also very deep. Really nice size bag. So let me just share with you really quick some other items that I think will pair well with this bag. And you guys, with this type of bag, I would not want to have things just thrown in. I would like things to be a little bit organized, and so that's why I picked out pieces that doesn't really look like a bunch of clutter, and I packed it a little bit differently than I would pack my normal handbags. So let me just share with you some of the other items that I would pair with this medium shopper. So the first item that I would pair with this medium shopper is the Dooney Bourke Carrington pouch, and this is in the color red. It's a really, really nice size, and I think that it fits perfectly in the shopper. So as you can see here, still lots of room. It gives it a really nice little pop. And let's see, we can put that in here, and we can also put our medium cosmetics case inside. I think that would also pair perfectly with the red Carrington. And let's see, if we wanted to do something just a little bit more tonal, we can try this. And this is the medium wristlet, also in the Shiny It pattern. So So if you want to use that as your wallet, that would work perfectly. And we can put our bottle of water. We can put our sunglasses. Let's see. You kind of want to make it look like really pretty. So sunglasses there, and then we can put our lotion here. So you still want it to look pretty from all angles. That's the side. Here is the back. And then here is the other side. See how neat that looks? You still want it to look neat. Well, I do at least. Okay, there's that combination. Or if we wanted a pop of color, we can do something like this. This is just a fabric pouch that I picked up several years ago on Poshmark or eBay or something like that. So if you did want a pop of color, you can just pop something like this inside, and that will give you a really nice little pop of color. And I think that looks beautiful. Or you could try something like this, and this is just another little pouch that came with a tote that I had. And this isn't stuffed, but you can use that as another pop of color. That is what I love about this bag, is that you can make it pretty, you can pack it as much as you want, and it will still look beautiful. So another combination is our little pouch there, and then we can use our little wristlet as our wallet, and that looks beautiful as well. So I also bought along my large clear cosmetics pouch. Let me give you a general idea of how large this cosmetics case is. So as you can see, it pretty much covers the whole bag, or if we put it side by side, you can still see how large this cosmetics case is. So if I were to use this larger cosmetics case, I probably would not use any other pouches. And just for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna put this on the inside of this cosmetics case. And as you can see, this medium cosmetics case totally fits with tons of room to spare in the larger cosmetics case. So if I were to carry the larger one, I probably would not carry these items. I probably would put my my lotion inside of here, and let's see, and I would probably use, I think I can use this Carrington as my wallet. So let's just see, let's just sit this in here. Like this. And it works. It works, as you can see. It's not as neat, but I think I do prefer having these smaller items. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.